Hello and welcome, John Kroner with Bullseye Trader, and I'd like to welcome you to the Artificial Intelligence Holly in Market Update for Thursday, October the 11th, 2018. Well, let's take a look and see how this market finished off today. And boy, did we have the sell-off continue. I guess the good news for the Qs is that we have a little bit of a bottoming tail here, but still major pullback. And you can see here on well above average volume. IWM, continued down well below all the moving averages, closed on lows, has a little bit of activity here in the aftermarket, but big red day. Once again, look at the volume spike on that, well above average volume there. The diamonds, down below the 200 moving average on the close. Got a little bit of a bottoming tail here, but not too much. Once again, large volume there. The spiders, big red candle there. Large volume as well. Just a little bit, didn't close quite on lows, but very low. So rough day in the market. We'll take a quick look at a couple others here. If we look at GLD, and you can see here that gold is above this level here, which it's been fighting. So, it did very well there. So people seem to be fleeing to safety a little bit there. The gold miners, we'll take a look at that, and you can see the same thing with that. Here's the level here where they've been, coming up to and bouncing back, so it is broken through there. So, gold is on the way. Quick look at silver, SLV, let's see here. Got my new tool I'm using. Got to get used to it a little bit here. Silver, we've got, a little bit of an increase there, but, definitely the gold is where people seem to be fleeing. Now we'll go ahead and take a quick look at Holly and see how Holly is doing today. And Holly Grill had 19 trades, lost 69 cents. The risk on, she lost 5 cents. You can see the histogram here, and anybody who followed the market knows it was a choppy day to say the least. Holly 2.0 had 17 trades, lost $1.05, and on risk on was a loss of 54 cents. Once again, you can see the histogram on the risk on, very rough. And Holly Neo, 11 trades for a loss of 5 cents. And then the only positive reading for the day was on the risk on for that, and she did net $1.20. So the way it boiled down to 47 total trades, a loss of $1.79, risk on a profit of 61. For the week, we're at 188 trades, $4.09 profit. 2036 is the risk on profit. So in spite of it all, having a decent week for Holly in the risk on category, we'll take a quick look here. We had one trade with 26 cents profit. That's no big deal. We had a short trade, BF.B, had a 79-cent profit. She got out for a timed exit with 18-cent profit, and it had you held to the end of the day would have made 79 cents. So that was a pretty nice trade there for her. And Holly 2.0, and you can see she had more long strategies to choose from than short. And we had this AMGP. She made 78 cents. She got out for the timed exit with a 30-cent profit, but then the risk on 78 cents profit. And same trade in both categories there, risk on, risk off. Holly Grail, we had 17 cents on a short VCEL, and only 22 cents was the risk on profit. And then AEM, she actually made 78 cents on a long trade, and you can see here she got out for a timed exit at 14 cents profit. and then it went on for 78 cents risk on. So, that is your Holly update today. And then I'll just remind you with the pullback in the market, if you haven't already got this free ebook, how to win in a post BTFD market, just go to this link. It'll be in the YouTube comments. Put in your email address. We'll send you the download for it. It's got 5 essential strategies for the short side. So very, very interesting. It might help you at this time. And also, I do promote the Trade Ideas software through these videos, and one way to learn about them is through the Trading Room hosted by Barry Einerson. And here's the link to get into that. Barry, it's not the type of room where he tells you what to trade and when to trade it. It's filled with trade ideas, and he does cover a lot with the scanning software to show you how to use it and how it works, etc., etc. So we would love to see you join us in the Trading Room. And also, if you want to follow my blog, do that at bullseyetrader.com. You can like me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter or StockTwits. If you got anything out of this video, appreciate a thumbs up. Maybe if you share it with some friends, that would be awesome. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to the video so you never miss one. And hey, I want to thank you for watching, and God bless.